Hold on, rewind. These are the parts I picked out over the course of 50 hours of my life looking for the best parts. No one really tells you how long it takes to research all the parts. And this is after researching for about 2.5 weeks, maybe even 3. Anyway, let's get into building. Got the CPU in, got the RAM in. Oh, this is awesome so far. First, I had to put the CPU in, and I thought I broke it by pulling down that lever. It was so hard. By the way, I went with the i5-12600K. Just installed the M.2. Bruh, that was the hardest thing so far. These tiny screws. Next, I installed a M.2 SSD. It was 1 terabyte, and it was so hard to get in because of the stupid tiny screws. I kept losing them, and it was going under the heatsink in the motherboard. It was so annoying, but we got it done. Alright, this is what we got so far. This took me 45 minutes to screw in. I'm not even joking. And right here, got this on the CPU, and yeah. I should have put the AIO cooler in after I put the motherboard in the case, but, you know, whatever. But what I don't understand is how hard it was to screw in the stupid fans into the radiator. Like, why was that so hard? It took me legit 1 hour. I almost had to get a drill or call my dad to come do it. Alright, so now I mounted the motherboard, mounted the radiator. Yeah, this took a while to mount. Kind of freaked out a little bit because of this standoff right here, and it wasn't fitting, and it was just weird. I don't know, but I figured it out. And then this guy, just gotta screw it in. And yeah, mounting was kind of whack because I was scared to mess up the motherboard. It was so heavy. Like, it's not even that heavy, but when you're holding it with 2 fingers on the sides, trying to line it up, it's pretty heavy. And with the stupid fans falling off every 2 seconds. But you know what? We got it done. It's okay. It all works. Look at this mess. Oh my goodness. Next, I put in the power supply. It was 750 watts, and it was fully modular. But there was still a ton of cables that are just so annoying. But I plugged everything into the motherboard, so we're all good. Next, it was time for the graphics card. I was trying to get a cool peeling shot. It's kind of hard with one hand and holding a camera, but we tried. But just listen. Oh yeah. I went with the RX 6800 XT. Oh! Please, baby. Sorry I filmed it the wrong way. I was gonna make a cool shot, but as you could see, not everything turned on. Well, turns out I didn't plug the GPU cables all the way in, and I didn't plug the CPU cable all the way in. So, yeah, that sucks. And what is sad is that I unplugged everything on the motherboard, even the audio cable and all that, just to find out what didn't turn on. But I'm actually glad I did that because I made the cable management so much better. So now the back looks good, even though you won't see it. I freaking did it! Let's go! I filmed it the wrong way again, but this was the first boot, so I was hyped.
It's time for this mess. 3, 2, 1, let go!
I forgot to film an after, but it kind of just looks the same, just a little bit more organized, so you didn't miss much. After I installed Windows and the drivers and stuff, it was all good. But now it's the time you've all been waiting for, the montage. Let's get it.
I put it inside of the song and even understand. I put it inside of the leg and the big I'm a shit. No, I ain't fucking your friend, but I did it already. I ain't fucking with none of these pussy not ready. Yeah, check out the phone with Uzi, he told me it's ready. Yeah, sharp at the top of the car, man, they tell us spaghetti. Yeah, every time I'm in the pussy, they be like the wedding. Yeah, bitch, I just be on the drugs, I feel like I'm 10. Ready to boxes.